Aray. Need to cover the miss here. Ano. Maybe Happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine.
You can watch on an iPad.
Only heaven knows. I maybe my love will come back some days. Only heaven knows. Maybe. Thank you for 1 million. Maybe. Maybe my love will come back, come back. Only heaven
Watch.
Happy Valentine's Day. I love you, Cheryl, very much. Happy Valentine's. Thank you, 3 million. Thomas, hello. Are you Filipina? Yes po, I'm Filipina. Thank you, 9 million in the house. Hello, Filipina. This high tops, full body. You can challenge. Drink one water bottle. I can super chat. Drink water bottle. I can super chat. How's your day? My day is fine. How about you po, Sir Thomas? Nagdadag din. Happy Valentine's Day from Kanuchi, Hawaii. Fly. Hey, fly. Hi, rich you are. Go. Go. Simply beautiful. Thank you, Francisco. Gelda Galopi. Can you be English? What do you mean, can I be English? George Martins. Are you Bisaya? No, I'm not Bisaya. I'm Bicolana. I'm not Bisaya. Bicolana po. Hi, Higgs! Happy Valentine's Day! Please subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, Higgs. Happy Valentine's. Is anyone here? Anyone here? Thank hi Higgs from my Samiton. Hi Samiton. D D T D T D T D T D D T A. Hey Classic from Higgs. Where you home? Mine is Cynthia. I'm from Philippines. Golden, happy Valentine's. Who's your Valentino? Valentina. Chicken Don. Chicken Don, welcome back. Long time no here. Chicken Don. Maybe this year, first time I go to Philippines. Ah, okay. Where are you from, Sir Thomas? That's a good one. Do you have a, ano, Valentine's? Golden? Yes. Because I'm English. Really? You are English? Well, ha. Oh, Jerry. My God, Jerry. Here I don't like people like you here in my life. I wish I did. That's a no. Bye. Hi, Biglan. Happy Valentine's Day, Cheryl. Happy Valentine's Day, Biglan. Cheryl. Yes, Cheryl. That's not Z, it's a S. Thank you, Biglan. Hello. Hi, Marias. Jose. Hi, Jose. Hi, Biglan from Mike. Jose Luis Espinosa. Hi, Jago Juan Vasquez Real. What's your name? My name is Cheryl. Milo. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Francis Godet. Hi. Thank you, Biglon. Your mouth is the paradise where I want to get lost. Luis Santos. Hello. Hello, Arnold. Shirley, it's my classmate. Shirley, it's my classmates. Your classmates? I am from Poland. I have a very friends Filipina from Poland. This year I go first time to Philippines. I go to Surigao. Good job, Sir Thomas. Surigao is one of the beautiful, beautiful place here in Philippines. Did you see what you pin? Yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot. My mistake. My mistake, Biglan. That's why, what? Why I pin? My goodness. Hi, this is from Brazil. I already lead my life to help you. Thank you, Danny Bart from Brazil. There you go. That's it. Yeah, thank you, Biglan. Rexal, stand up dance. You have such a lovely lips, really. Larry Malbas, Las Peñas City. From Las Peñas. Thank you. 34 million in the house, my gulay. Hi, Jose. Domingo Diaz. Hello. From Brazil. Hello. Hi, from Candido from Brazil. Falden Meat. Hi, Falden Meat. Sir John. Happy Valentine's, Sir John. Happy Valentine's po, my video star. My video star. Thank you, Sir John. Have a nice day. Domingo Diaz. Domingo Diaz po. Good morning. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe the love again. You guys is real. Harvesting season. Come to Brazil to celebrate Carnival.
Stop!
Ano is that? Ano is that? Madam talaga. Madam Damin. Wait, I need to buy the fish.
Wait, I'm by my fish.
My God.
By myself.
My goodness. Siksihon ako.
Grabe yun. Nag-aagas na. Oh. Pang mayaman, pang mahirap.
Pagmayaman sa pagmahirap. Ora pag hampas lupa.
Ha? Eh. Tilapia na no? My God. Iba talaga ini pag ano? Pera. 125. Kaya lang. Yan, para karama ko dito. Ini nga magtilapia niya kay ano? Tilapia ka na. Napatin naman niya ako pala dito.
Wala talaga makuha ako. Ay, gumana mo.
Sobrang talaga.
Mala lang yun.
One times to five.
Okay.
Jesus, uy, grabe kayo dito.
Bahala ka. Ikaw na.
Sigurado ka. Hindi kay ano yun, ano. Masabi ka to.
Grabe man yun.
Masabi ka to, nabusado ako. Ang tama lang kay ano, negosyo. Sa ano na, sa Pasko, dapat pagtulungan mo ako sila, ano, labaw tamo. Sorry, I buy fish. Sorry, man. Sorry. Hey, Cheryl. Hi, Gelda. Rainy D. Not raining. Hope no rain today. Don't forget to double tap your screen and subscribe, everyone. It's free. Thank you, Big Lon. Thank you so much. Happy Valentine's Day, Larry Malbas. Toma, very. Hi, Anthony. Thomas, very Philippines people live here and hard work. Nice people, Philippines food is the best. Adobo, pancit, chicken, pastel. Yes, adobo. We love adobo. Pork, even pork or chicken. We love both. Today in India is rainy day. Kevin Robinson. Hello, beautiful lady. Please sure subscribe me. I know Tagalog. Really? You know Tagalog? Hans. Super chat and memberships are available. Comments are free. Just be respectful, please, everyone. Thank you, Mike. Smooth, smooth. Happy Hearts Day Pop. Watching from Riyadh. You look pretty and sexy po. Thank you, SM Model. Thank you po. Jose Luis Espinosa. Hi. I know Tagalog but small. Okay. At least you learn. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe the love I have wife Filipina named Lorna, but we live from Poland. That's why I know I very about culture Philippines. That's why Sir Thomas. Hello, Jose Espinosa. Mapaluway yun, nakalive ako. Hello, Gius Pedifasi. Hi. Cleomar Luciano. Hello po. I have a friends in Korea. Okay. Ways to see you po. Yes, sir. Are you a man or a woman? Is model. Model. Is model. Ano? Tanana. Omar here po. Lalaki. Lalaki. So is your Valentine talking you out today? My Valentine's today is my gob. We're going to the Jollibee. Sir John, my Valentine's date. We're going to the Jollibee. Ah! Valentine's Day. Family. Jowa. Talking to Jowa. Talking to Jowa all day. So, Cristiano. Here in Riyadh, but I'm from Zamboanga City. Okay. Nice to meet you po, Small. Someday you have to go to Europe or to stay Philippines. I now know very work how Philippines no easy. I want to go to visit in Europe, just vacation, just visit, but stay in Philippines. Hey, Domingo Diaz. Hi, Gus. Question, hello. Do you have a Valentine's? Yes, my Valentine's, my mega box. You can come to Saudi and visit po. Ah, natakot ako dyan sa Saudi. Sa ibang lugar na lang.
Mm. 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 Cha-da-da-chan. -11. Huh? How much your age? Oh my god, you're not allowed here. My goodness. Sorry, Gelda, not allowed young here. Sorry. You're underage. Not allowed kids here. Model. Open na po here. I'm 12 years na po here. Open na po here. I'm 12. Huh? Oh my god, so many children. Giga Galopi, sorry, must be over 16 to be in this channel under rules. Yes. Why many kids here? I look like a kid. Mm. Open city na po, Saudi. You can visit anytime. Okay. Open country. The Saudi Arabia is open country na. Hello, beautiful. Love me, beautiful. Hi, Gus P. Di Pase. Gus P. Di Pase. You appeal to everyone po. Thank you, Sir John. Thank you po, Sir John. I'll wait on another short video. Because today is a Valentine's Day. Sexy po. Do you have Valentine's, if you know what I mean? May Valentine's, my God. But, hindi na ako available. I'm not available na. Soon, I having an asawa na. Soon, I'm getting married now. Oh, I see. Happy for you, and he deserves to be loved and cared for. Thank you. Thank you. Just wake up po. I just do live even a few minutes. I need to prepare breakfast. So see you next live. Bye bye po. Thank you. Love you all. Just wake up po. I'm going to make breakfast po. I'm hungry. See you later. Thank you, Sir John. See you later, Sir John. See you next live. Thank you po. God bless you guys. Love you all. Bye bye. Let's type in.